How to reset your Snapchat Discover feed. Hey, everyone! Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Snapchat Discover feed and refresh the content you see. If you're tired of seeing the same recommendations, this quick guide will help you customize your feed to match your interests. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open Snapchat. Launch the Snapchat app on your smartphone. Ensure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Access the Discover feed. Swipe right from the camera screen to open your Discover feed. Step 3. Go to your profile settings. Tap on your profile icon, Bitmoji, in the top left corner. Now, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner to open settings. Step 4. Manage your interests. Scroll down and find the Ads section. Tap on Ads, Lifestyle and Interests. Here, you'll see a list of topics based on your previous activity. Step 5. Reset your Discover feed. To completely reset your feed, deselect all interests by tapping the checkboxes next to each category. Snapchat will now refresh your Discover feed based on your new preferences. Bonus tip. While you can't remove the Discover feed entirely, you can personalize it by selecting only the topics you're actually interested in. And that's it. Your Snapchat Discover feed is now refreshed with new content. If you found this video helpful, white heavy check mark like this video. White heavy check mark subscribe for more helpful tutorials. White heavy check mark tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.